Gonna go down? Maybe? Wow! There we go. Whoa. Cassie's so serious. Audrey's just taking it in. Electric vehicles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the car.
You just gotta hold it down. We did golf carts and you did really well. This is painful. Hello, Tron. He's trying to kill me. Ah! Oh! We're doing the best we can. We're new.
Audrey's driving her first car. There's Mama and Bubba. She's driving her first car. You're driving.
Everything is into its spring and life falls along with a smile and a song.
Now, if you're running a little low on magic wishes and you want to make your magic carpet fly higher or lower, riders in the front row can pull up or pull down on the road. And to make the carpet tip forward or back, riders in the back row can press that magic scarab. And with a little help from the magic leg, we're off to Acrobat.
Great time. Go up, go up, go up. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Don't never get us to turn over. Well, let's get out of here. We'll make our escape to the Nile River, the longest river in Africa. It goes on for Niles and Niles.
Audrey, what do you got? Ice cream. Wow, look at that.
Oh, a lot of sprinkles.
A lot of sprinkles.
There you go. No.
I want some.
You gonna steal some?
You gotta eat it correctly.
It's brother tax.
It's been raining.
Yep.
Okay, we're in here now.
That's right. Now we're all dry.
So, we're at the contemporary. We're gonna at the cafe.
The Contempo Cafe, and we came over here because it's pouring at Magic Kingdom.
Pouring down rain. Everybody is so wet.
Yeah. We got pickle.
We got a pickle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if
Gotta
you
have a pickle.
If you didn't know, I love the monorail.
Mm-hmm.
We just wrote it here for Magic Kingdom, so I got a it's like a s'mores monorail brownie, and it looks pretty good.
Here, let's do this.
A little twisty one.
Yeah, so I think that's like a chocolate ribbon. Oh, okay. So that's a brownie. It's like a toasted marshmallow.
Yes.
What is that?
It's the monorail.
Well, I know that, but what is it?
What?
Oh, it's hollow. It's hollow.
Yeah.
It's
That's
white
cool.
chocolate.
Oh, white
I
chocolate.
think it's white chocolate. Yeah.
Or marshmallow.
And it's
No, this is marshmallow
I'm
here.
gonna eat that last. So
Okay.
first, I'm gonna get
fine.
Oh, don't get rid of it.
It's probably dark chocolate.
Yeah. I don't like her. Oh, yeah. So now I'm gonna try the real deal.
All right.
So it's supposed to be s'mores.
Mm-hmm.
This is a marshmallow.
So like a
and
s'more
it's
brownie?
on a brownie. Oh, and there's the graham crackers on there.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
It's good.
that's pretty good.
All right, Mama, what did you get? So let me speak for her.
This is a regular croissant.
Got a nice croissant,
And then they have a cookie dough croissant.
cookie dough croissant.
Literally my two favorite desserts.
Mm-hmm.
Well, top 10 favorite desserts. Favorite pastries
Uh-huh.
mixed together.
Okay.
Saw a
And it's
TikTok-
warm?
It's warm. I saw a TikTok about it like 2 a.m. the other night, and I was like, we're going. We gotta go.
Mhm.
We gotta go. We gotta do this. So,
So what? So it's got cookie dough in a croissant?
yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Oh my
Man.
god. I definitely need a bite of that. Get it out of here.
And then what do we have here? Before you take a bite, what do we have here?
It's the kitchen sink cookie.
Kitchen sink.
So it's a little bit of everything.
Oh, so it's like
Beef,
gooey.
caramel, salt.
Ooh.
Yeah. We look real bad.
Yeah, huh?
And Audrey's eating a pickle. Is it so good? And I found a Topo Chico blueberry sparkling water. What do you think?
Heaven.
Heaven?
Alright, I'll try it too.
Get out of here.
You sound great.
It is a warm chocolate chip cookie with like the flakiness of the croissant.
Man.
Alright. Alright, look at that.
All right, so the cookie dough croissant or the monorail, Keston? If you had to pick one. That's better? The monorail's better? Okay.
We like s'mores.
I
Yeah.
love s'mores.
I
And
like
brownies.
s'mores.
And white chocolate. But
So
not
they
dark chocolate.
so they also said that this cookie was like Heath bar and like a snickerdoodle cookie with Heath, and there was something else I think she said, but it's got sea salt and maybe a caramel drizzle.
So
Can I be the first to try it, please?
Yeah, go for it.
Wait, here. I want one s'more.
Yeah, there you go.
Alright. Some seed cookie.
Oh boy.
that's why.
All right, so now you have to pick. That beats
Definitely.
everything?
That beats everything. That is
Okay.
really good.
All right.
Oh no.
Does it beat everything?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's good.
So the sink.
I can tell you, it's the salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah, we're huge fans of sea
The
salt on
salt
cookies.
Just brightens it up.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Pretty
good.
good.
It's so good. It's so good.
All right, so kitchen sink cookie,
Wins.
and then a cookie dough croissant, and then the monorail s'more.
Wait, before we go, I need to try this.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna bite the tip.
Okay. Cassie-
Oh, it's edible.
Cassie's gonna be like sugar overload.
Uh-oh.
Is it white chocolate?
I don't know. Wait, yeah.
White
Yeah,
chocolate.
It is.
All right, Audrey's still eating her pickle.
She doesn't like pickle seeds, so she's just eating the like corn on the cob.
Is it so good? It's so yummy. All right. Okay, so I tried all three, and I think I'm gonna have to go with the kitchen sink cookie. It definitely beats all three. I was not a fan of the s'more brownie, the monorail. And I like s'mores, but it just wasn't s'more-ish. Like it was just like marshmallows on a brownie.
Yeah.
The cookie dough croissant was good. It was kind of like a homemade chocolate chip cookie that was still warm in the middle, that had just come out of the oven. Didn't really get much of a croissant feel, but I did eat the middle part of it. So, but the kitchen sink cookie was by far the best. It's just, I think I'm like Haley. I think the sea salt just makes it go above and beyond. So, that's our takes on the contemporary. Contemporary cafe, and right by Chef Mickey's.
Which we're not going to.
We're not going to Chef Mickey's this time.
It switched to buffet. I don't want to go.
Yeah, it switched to a buffet style, and we were here when it was family style, where they brought everything to your table. So we kind of like the family style stuff, and also that's the line to get to Chef Mickey's, and it's a lot. So we're gonna finish off all these desserts hopefully, and see what we can get into next. I almost forgot, the one thing that I got, the Topo Chico blueberry, is very good. I tried a while back. I tried the San Pellegrino lemonade or lemonade-esque drink, and I love it. And so I saw this one. Goodness. You finished your pickle?
Well, let's decide. Is this a finished pickle?
Yeah, I mean,
Never seen pickle eaten like corn on a cob.
yeah. So anyway, yeah, the Topo Chico blueberry, if you like flavored drinks, it's pretty good. I am, however, not a fan of like what's the flavored drinks?
Ryan?
Oh, LaCroix.
LaCroix. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of LaCroix. But I do like the Topo Chico because it has more of, like, it's more flavor into it. So my drink was pretty good. That's the only thing I got.
We gotta go. So Cass and I are so excited because we got a virtual queue. We finally got our boarding pass called, and we made it to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. We missed our window because we were at a different park. The line had been unpredictable all day here because of the weather and other delays, so we didn't think we were gonna make it happen, but we did. So day 2 of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and we're riding. So excited. Cass Captain. What are we doing? We're riding to Tiana's. There she is.
Thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Louis!